Alright guys, this is help for the homework for package 2, which is due on Monday. Okay, don't forget it's due on Monday. So I'm starting with 1 and 2 step, the multi-step equations, and I'm going to scroll down to number 1. Remember, the first thing that we do is that we box in x. So on number 1, I'm going to isolate x. Next thing I see, if I see minus, I do the opposite, and I add a to both sides. I have a zero pair, 3x equals 12. Isolate x again, divide by 3. This cancels out, zero pair, x equals 4. Let's work our way to number 2. Number 2, I have b over 2 minus 4 equals 26. Now, you can get confused on this one. First thing I want to do is rewrite this as 1/2 b minus 4 equals 26. Now again, I work it just like any other equation that I want to solve, and I box in, isolate my b variable. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Should be a 4. I create a zero pair. I have 1/2 b equals 30. And now I multiply by flipping over my fraction. So I multiply by 2 over 1, 2 over 1, b equals 60. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 over 1 gives me 60. All right, number 3. Now, number 3, I have to go back to the first day of school, first couple days of school, and I look at that. I have y's that need to be simplified. Remember my property that says I can write things together that are alike. Then I can group them and simplify. So that simplifies to 3y plus 4 equals 9. And again, I isolate my variable, subtract 4 to both sides. 3y, this is a zero pair. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Divide by 3, cancels out. Y equals 5 over 3. Now, my fraction is reduced to the lowest form. Okay? So I don't have to do anything else. I'll leave it in fraction form. All right, number 4. I have a problem. I'll go ahead and erase all this. I have a problem with these parentheses. Remember, we need to take these parentheses out by using our distributive property and multiplying. So now my new equation is 14 equals 3x minus 6 plus 5. And guess what? I need to group these to simplify because I'm not simplified yet. Okay? So 14 equals 3x. Negative 6 plus 5 gives me minus 1. Again, I box in my variable. What do I see? Minus 1, so I use plus 1 to both sides. Zero pair. 3x equals 15. Divide by 3. X equals 5. Now, I work it the same way even though here we had our problem equals 9, and here we have our total and then the rest of the equation. Even though it's flip-flopped, we still work it the same way.